shine out of AliExpress app. If any day you are an AliExpress app user and you would like to just sign out of the AliExpress app, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the AliExpress app on your device. For that, you have to tap on AliExpress app like this. When you tap on AliExpress app will be launched on your very device. After AliExpress app is launched on your device, now you have to tap on the account section, which is located on the down right portion. Now when you tap on the account section like this, you can see that it will take you to an interface like this. Now after it takes you to the interface like this, you have to go to the upside option, that is the gear-like option, which is located in the very top right portion. Now you have to tap on this very gear-like icon. Now when you just scroll down, here you can see the option of sign out. You have to just tap on it. Now after tapping on sign out like this, you can see the option of OK here. You have to tap on OK. Now after tapping on OK, you'll be shined out from the very AliExpress app. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.